Number 1. 1997 GMC 1500, price $5,950, powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With just over 200,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run and drive strong, showing clear signs of consistent care from its previous owner rather than being used as a heavily worn work truck. Finished in a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior, the truck still presents nicely for its age and retains a solid overall appearance. It comes equipped with a newly installed headache rack, adding both functionality and a rugged look, along with a Bose sound system that enhances the driving experience with upgraded audio. Overall, this GMC 1500 stands as a dependable and well-kept example, offering classic V8 performance, practical utility, and a level of condition that makes it ready for daily use or weekend projects without hesitation. Number 2. 1995 Ford F150, price $4,700. Dependable and well-maintained pickup truck with 190,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline, this 4x4 truck offers both reliability and versatility. Its clean white exterior and gray interior have been carefully preserved, reflecting the care it has received over the years. This truck runs and drives smoothly, providing a solid and comfortable driving experience. The air conditioning functions properly, ensuring comfort in all seasons. The interior is in good condition, showing minimal wear, while the exterior paint remains attractive for a vehicle of its age. With a clean title in hand, this F-150 is ready for a new owner who is looking for a well-kept, dependable pickup that combines practicality with classic styling. Number 3. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, well-maintained truck that has traveled 148,000 miles. It is equipped with a sturdy V6 engine and a manual transmission, paired with a 4x4 drivetrain, making it versatile for both on-road and off-road driving. The truck's exterior and interior both feature a classic brown finish, providing a cohesive and timeless appearance. Running on gasoline, it offers solid performance while being easy to maintain. Recently fitted with new Toyo tires, the vehicle ensures a smooth and safe ride. The Chevrolet 1500 holds a clean title, and every system from the engine to the interior components functions properly. Registration tags are valid until May 27. Overall, this truck combines practicality, durability, and a straightforward, no-nonsense design that makes it a reliable choice for everyday use or weekend adventures. Number 4. 1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. It has been carefully maintained over the years, with only 84,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine, it offers smooth, reliable performance with plenty of power, making it ideal for both work and recreational use. The truck comes with a 3-speed manual transmission, including a low gear that provides excellent control and versatility in a variety of driving conditions. Its exterior is finished in timeless white, paired with a warm brown interior that combines practicality with comfort. Running on gasoline, this Chevrolet 2500 remains mechanically sound, reflecting its solid build and classic engineering. Whether used for hauling, towing, or simply enjoying a nostalgic driving experience, this truck delivers both capability and character, embodying the rugged charm that has made the Chevrolet 2500 a favorite among truck enthusiasts. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000. It features a 5.3 LLS engine sourced from a 2006 Suburban, equipped with a truck Norris cam kit, a Melling high-volume oil pump, new rocker arms, and a TBSS intake. The engine runs on OE Flex fuel injectors and is managed by a Holley Terminator X system. The drive system has been enhanced with a Corvette accessory drive and a swapped radiator controlled by ECU-operated electric fans, ensuring reliable cooling. Power delivery comes through an NV3500 transmission from a 4.8 Silverado, paired with a new clutch, master cylinder, throwout bearing, and a short-throw core shifter for precise gear changes. The front suspension has been fully rebuilt with Beltec Blazer drop spindles, larger brakes, and Bilstein shocks. The rear incorporates Beltec drop leaf springs, a ZQ8 rear sway bar, a refreshed stock 3.73 rear with a Yukon Duragrip limited slip differential, and a rear disc brake conversion. Number 6. 1997 Ford F250, price $7,995. It is powered by a strong 5.8L 351 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering dependable performance for both work and recreational use. The truck has traveled 151,000 miles and runs on gasoline, with dual fuel tanks that allow for extended driving without frequent refueling. Originally finished in white, the exterior was repainted green to refresh its appearance, while the interior remains a clean and functional gray. Despite its age, this F250 has never been involved in an accident, and its durable 4WD drivetrain, spacious bed, and classic design make it a versatile and practical choice for anyone in need of a dependable pickup truck.
Number 7.
1999 GMC Sonoma, price $3,500, powered by a 4-cylinder engine. It delivers excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for daily driving or light hauling. This Sonoma has accumulated 143,000 miles and features a smooth automatic transmission for easy handling. Its exterior shines in a vibrant red, which pairs nicely with the sleek black interior, creating a classic yet bold appearance. Running on gasoline and holding a clean title, the truck is mechanically sound and ready for the road. Inside, the Sonoma is equipped with a modern touchscreen stereo that supports Apple CarPlay, providing both entertainment and connectivity on the go. While it is in good overall condition, it does require new registration stickers, and the windshield has a small crack that should be addressed.
Number 8.
1993 Chevrolet S10, price $6,000, well-maintained classic pickup with an original mileage of 118,000 miles. This truck features a reliable 4.3 V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Its exterior is a striking blue, complemented by a gray interior. The S10 has new tires and a solid body and frame with no rust issues, showcasing the care it has received over nearly 20 years of ownership. The air conditioning works perfectly, and the truck runs smoothly, making it a dependable choice for daily driving. There is a minor exhaust leak and slight valve seal puff at startup if it sits for a while, but overall, it remains very reliable. This classic pickup has never required inspections and continues to be a practical and enduring vehicle.
Number 9.
1998 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,000, well-maintained truck that has traveled just 58,000 miles. It features a 5.2L V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission, providing a smooth and reliable driving experience. The exterior is green with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. This truck is extremely clean underneath and virtually rust-free, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking a durable and dependable vehicle. Recent upgrades include brand new tires and a newly installed dashboard. The truck comes with one key for convenience. While the body is remarkably straight and free of rust, a fresh paint job would enhance its overall appearance.
Number 10.
1997 Ford F150, price $2,200, reliable truck with 188,000 miles on the odometer, powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Its exterior features a classic blue finish, paired with a charcoal interior, and it runs on gasoline. The truck includes convenient features such as power windows, power door locks, cruise control, tilt steering, and an AM/FM stereo. While the air conditioning is not currently working, the truck comes with a tow package, a jack kit, and a toolbox, adding to its versatility and utility. The steering wheel has some play, and the tailgate shows minor wear, but overall the vehicle is solid and ready to use. The title is in hand, making it easy to transfer ownership.